Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. In this recipe I'll be showing you how I make my peanut sweets, so sit back and watch and enjoy. So to make the peanut sweet, you just want to toss your peanuts up to the medium brown, and then we're going to take them off and put the remaining ingredients that we need to make the peanut sweet. So just toss it like this. Alright, so this is what you need for your peanut sweet. We call it groundnut sweet in Cameroon. So you just need your peanuts that you've roasted slightly. You need 1 cup of sugar. You need vanilla essence, and you need cinnamon just for a bit of flavor. You can use nutmeg if you have nutmeg. And then you need some water. Okay, so we're gonna start now. So first thing you want to do, pour in your water. In goes the sugar. In goes a little bit of vanilla essence. And then we're going to finish off with some cinnamon. Okay, that's it. Give that a good stir. And then guys, we're going to pour in the peanuts. So once that sugar, as you can see, once that sugar is starting to dissolve, I'm going to pour in the peanuts. 5 minutes. There you go. So as you can see, the peanut is changing. Yeah, remember I used red skin peanuts. You can see the peanut is changing, so which means that very soon it's going to caramelize. So just keep on turning, keep on turning. Alright, so as you can see, the water has drained, so you can see the sugar. So we're just going to keep turning, 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 turning. This is the stage that you shouldn't leave the kitchen. If not, when you come back, it will burn. So just keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Okay, can you see? You just have to keep on turning. So as you can see, this is the exciting bit. Can you see that? So here we have peanut sweets. At this stage I've just lowered the heat anyway because I don't need the heat to be high. As you can see, the sugar has caramelized nicely. So as you can see, that's peanut sweets there, nice and ready. So I'm just gonna let that cool down and then we'll come back to it. There you have it, guys. Peanut sweets are ready. Just going to let that cool down there. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell so when I upload another recipe you don't miss out. Thank you. Bye.